Hi everyone, I'm Sang Kim. In the following some videos, I want to share how to measure ordinal association from contingency table. There are various types of statistics to measure ordinal association. These measures are appropriate for ordinal variables and they classify pairs of observation as concordant or discordant. Concordant and discordant are key concepts to measure ordinal association. These are reference sites for this video. I have prepared 5 by 5 contingency table. There are 5 levels from level 1 to level 5 for row and column. We want to measure the ordinal association between respondent's highest degree and father's highest degree. Let's measure it by gamma statistic. In order to get gamma statistic, we need to understand this formula, which is from sales document. Firstly, I will show you how to calculate Aij and Dij, and then I will show you how to calculate P, Q, and asymptotic standard error. For Aij and Dij, we need to understand left part and right part. Let me explain it by one example. From 6 point of view, the left part for Aij is this area, and the right part for Aij is this area. Also, from 6 point of view, the left part for Dij is this area, and the right part for Dij is this area. Is that clear? In order to get Aij and Dij, let's list all matrix data like this. Right, 5 rows and 5 columns, so it includes all combinations from row and column. And we need to get cell number, so we can think of offset function. We can use this one as a reference and press F4 and comma and row, comma and column. Right. So for Aij, left part, this area. For right, there's no right side data, so 0. For 41, the left part. So I will show you how to calculate all numbers without explaining further comments. Yep, there's no left data, so 0 and 0. For 277, there is one right part here. Yeah, there's no right part for 23, so 0. There's no left part, so 0. Right. So to get P, we need to multiply by Nij and Aij. So and finally, let's sum up all numbers. All right. For Dij part, we can use same data here. And for Dij left for 136 here, there's no data and no data. 41 left part is here, no right data. for 374. Yeah, we're almost done. Please wait. Alright, so we need to get Q by using Nij multiplied by Dij left side plus Nij multiplied by Dij right side. Okay. Let's sum all values here. Alright. So now we have P and Q, so we can calculate the gamma statistic by using this formula. So P minus Q, P minus P minus Q over P plus Q. Right. So this is the SPSS output. So as you can see, we have got same result. Right. Let's calculate asymptotic standard error by using this formula. So for numerator part, I corrected the text as numerator, and Nij multiplied by Q here, multiplied by sum of Aij minus P, press F4, multiplied by sum of Dij and squared. And let's sum up all values here. We need to use square roots to get standard error. 16 multiplied by numerator part over P plus Q to the first. Cool. So we have got same result like SPSS. So gamma 0.48 and standard error. So once we have father's highest degree information, we can predict respondent's highest degree in a better way. So it means that we can improve our prediction rates by 48%. So gamma statistic range is from -1 to 1. So it means that between respondent's highest degree and father's highest degree has relatively high positive relationship, association. So that's it for gamma statistic. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, although I haven't explained anything while I'm calculating this one, Aij and Dij. Please click like and subscribe if you want to see more useful video clips in the future. Thank you.